This one will work the same way. So this is a good reason why we do that process I listed on the other video, which is, let's look at what's going on with B. Alright, so if I gave you numbers for B, A and C, what would we do? We'd add them first, and then we would divide by 5, and that's how you would get Y. Right? So let's write the steps that are things that are happening here with B. So a list of operations on B. Alright, the first thing we do is either add A or add C, and it really doesn't matter which way we put. I'll just put them in alphabetical order. We add A and we add C. Alright, that's what we do with B. And then once we do that, then we divide by 5. Alright, so if we want to undo that to get B all by itself, we just undo those things that are being done to B. Alright, so again, opposite of divide by 5, the first thing we're going to do is multiply by 5. Then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to have opposite of add is subtract. C. And then the opposite of add A is subtract A. Alright, and so down here, these 3 steps are going to tell us exactly what to do to this original equation up here. Y equals A plus B plus C over 5. Alright, so we're going to do multiply by 5. So I'm going to multiply over here by 5, and we're going to multiply over here by 5. Alright, so on the left hand side we get 5y, and it should be a capital Y. You do have to stay consistent. Incidentally, while I'm telling you this, when you type this into MyMathLab, you have to put Y, capital Y, when you type the Y in. So just to point that out. So anyway, over on the other hand, the other side, we have A plus B plus C over 5 times 5. Remember, this is like 5 over 1. So the 5 cancels the 5. Alright, so we're just left with 5y equals A plus B plus C. Alright, so we did step number 1. Now we'll subtract C from here, and we'll come over here and subtract C. Alright, and again I'm going to write 5 in capital Y minus C, it's A plus B. And then that's our second step, and our third step would be to subtract A, so we'll do that now. And so we have 5y, capital Y again, I'll say that several times, minus C minus A equals B. And so that is the answer to this question. And now you can also write 5y minus A minus C. That's fine too. MyMathLab doesn't care whether the A or the C comes first as long as they are both subtracted. And again, just remember the Y is case sensitive, and the C and the A also have to be lowercase a and lowercase c, or MyMathLab will mark it wrong. So let me know if that doesn't clear it up, and I can help some more.